Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. I am Prabhu KB, CEO Managing Partner of Fibocan. As you know, Fibocan is into the business of enabling wealth. We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, helping clients devise their investment strategies through our technology products and solutions. Victory, meaning victory. Innovative investment strategies, so far, Sony and Baumits. They are very powerful and efficient strategies and have helped clients and is helping clients make money regardless of the market conditions. Which is why I request everyone to watch my video till the end, click the bell icon, encourage your friends and known person to subscribe. Today is August 27, 2022, Saturday. In this video, we'll be discussing about the global market performance, currencies, commodities for the week of August 22, Monday till August 26, 2022, that is Friday, till yesterday. So Dow Jones closed 4% down, 32,283.40. Nasdaq closed 12,141, 4% down. S&P closed 4057, 4% down, while FTSE closed 1.5%, 7427. So in this, I would request, before we go into the details, people would have seen my videos dated August 14th and August 20. August 14th was Sunday and August 20, that is last week Saturday. Last week Saturday we told that after the candle that it formed during the August 14, it formed a shooting star type of candle in the weekly. Then we told last week itself, this week, that is the previous week, we expected market to open, gap down and go down. That is what precisely it has happened. It is as per the perfect script of technical analysis, market moved down. That's perfectly fine. But why there is a big fall of 3% yesterday? Yesterday alone there is a 3% fall in Dow, Nasdaq, S&P. The reason was more of the hawkish position given by Mr. J. Powell in the Jackson Hole meeting. So which is why there was a significant fall. However, now how these stocks or the indices are positioned, Dow Jones, Nasdaq and S&P, all in the monthly chart has formed a shooting star, very big shooting star. And in the weekly, it has formed a solid reversal. And in the weekly, it is below the exponential moving average. In the monthly also, it is below the exponential moving average. Till some time back, it was above the exponential moving average. Now all the indices are below the exponential moving averages and also Bollinger Middle Band. This is an indication of very weak market. Unless otherwise, in the next 3 days, we have Nifty Dow closing above 32,846.50 and Nasdaq closing about 12,390.70, S&P 4130.30. We can expect further fall in the coming months and forget 2022, even 2023 is going to be a very bad year for stocks. So hence, the next 3 days is very, very crucial. Even in these next 3 days, it has to go up at least by 3% in the next three days, which I am not sure. I don't find any trigger for that. Hence, we presume at this point in time, with all the positions, market is going to go in for a further correction. If that is going to happen, what will happen to Indian markets? Obviously, we will also follow what global markets are doing. There will be a significant fall in Indian markets. FTSE on the other hand is looking relatively okay. It fell only 1.5%. Last week it formed a hanging man type of candle. We said that it is a doji. Monthly till now it has formed a doji. It formed a reversal. In the daily it is just above the lower band. The same way Dow, Nasdaq and S&P is just above the lower band after yesterday's big fall. So hence now we can expect fall in FTSE also, but the fall will not be as significant as that of the US markets one can see. Now let's go to CBOE VIX 25.56. In fact, it is moving up solidly and it is now above the upper band in the daily. In weekly, it is above the middle band and exponential moving average. In the monthly, it has found a bullish harami or a piercing pattern. Hence, the VIX has now moved up, which means volatility has increased. So we can expect further volatility as the market goes down. Next we go to dollar index. Dollar index at 108.751. In the daily it formed a bullish candle with a long leg. What does it mean? That means there is a bullish pressure. In the previous week we told that 106 is going to act as a very strong support and we also stated that it will not go below 105 at any cost. In the weekly it formed a solid reversal candle as we said, it continued. Last week it formed solid reversal. We said it will continue and it continued, and it is now nearing the upper band. In the monthly, it is well above the upper band. 6th month in concession, it is above the upper band, which means dollar is in a strong wicket. It is moving up very strongly. So as we stated, 105.20 is a very, very strong support. We will not see that going below in the near future. Euro versus USD. Now let us look at the individual components. The first component is Euro versus USD. It has gone below 1. It is now 0.996. In the weekly, it continued its downward trend and is sliding down the Bollinger lower band. Monthly, it is the 5th month in succession. It is again sliding down in the lower band. Weekly, it is moving sideways with the downward bias. With all these things, we expect further fall, and I don't see it to go above 1.1 in the near future, which means dollar index is going to remain high. So Euro is going to remain low against USD. Next, we look at the other important aspect, GBP versus USD. It is at 1.717. Same structure as that of Euro versus USD. So I don't see it moving above 1.223 in the near future. The last one, USD versus JPY, in this 137.52. In the weekly, it formed a solid green candle, and in the monthly, again 6th month in a row, it is moving above the Bollinger upper band, which means it is on a strong wicket. That is, USD is very strong against JPY, and in daily also it is going up. So with all these things, now let's look at something important for us. USD versus INR, 79.961. In the weekly, it formed a doji or an indecisive candle after a big green candle last week. So what it means, it is, people will think that it is a reversal. It is not a reversal. It is nothing but a continuation pattern, because in the monthly chart, it is above the Bollinger upper band. The same USD JPY chart, 7th month in a row. We expect 79.20 to act as a very strong support and to cross 80 decisively in October, November. It will cross that level even before that, but decisively it will stay above that in October, November. Last 2 points, last 2 things, items. US 10-year yield at 3.03. Weekly, it continued its strong up move. In the monthly, it formed a bullish engulf, and now it is just below the Bollinger upper band. In the daily, after a solid green red candle it formed on Thursday, it formed a doji star on Friday, which means Monday we can expect it to go up, because in the monthly chart it has to touch the Bollinger upper band. Hence, we expect it to close August above 3.153. Brent 100.99 and NYMEX at 93.06. What did we see in the last few weeks videos? If one recollect, we said that in the daily chart it has reversed and it is moving up. Last week it formed a green candle. As we said, last week it formed a doji kind of a candle. We said that we can expect a solid green candle this week. That is what precisely it has happened. It formed a solid green candle. In the monthly, though red candle, it has formed a long leg. It is the 3rd red candle it has formed, but till now it has formed a small candle with a long leg. The trend is up. Hence, we expect it to close around 101.90 to 103.50 for Brent, and NYMEX anywhere between 94.60 to 98.05. If the closure happens around this level, next month, I am sorry to state, as an Indian, I am feeling upset to say that next month we can expect 5 to 10% up move in oil, which is going to impact us severely, we as an oil importing nation. Hence, I am concerned, but the matter of fact is it is going to go up. That is how structurally, technically it is looking like. So, with all these things, we expect Indian market to open gap down on Monday, but as we have stated, 17,464 is the first level and 17,354.20 is the next level to watch. If that is broken down decisively, we can expect significant fall in Indian markets also. Thank you very much for watching the video. Disclaimer, as always, the objective of this video is only for training and educational purpose. Please discuss with your investment advisor before making any investment decision. Thank you.
Audio Jungle.